So in this example, one number is 15 less than 7 times the second number. The sum of the numbers is 73. And we want to find uh, each of the numbers. So let's look at the first number. One number is less than 15 less than 7 times the second number. We have two numbers here. Yes.
I did 7x minus 15x.
Okay. Uh, one number is 15 less than 7 times a second number. So let's start out with a variable. Let's take that x. One number is 15 less than 7 times a second number. We start out with the variable s, and we know that the second number, the first number is 15 less than 7 times the second number. Tell me what you said again.
I did 7x minus 15x.
Okay.
Do you want us to
Is
use the less than sign?
no, no.
Good, because I didn't.
So you said 7.
X minus 15x.
Okay. Uh,
Yeah, me too.
okay. Let's hear the others.
Alright, so I started with open parentheses x, take away 15, close parentheses,
So you had x minus 15.
plus 7, and then in parentheses x equals 73.
Say that again.
Close
hmm
equals 73. That's what I started with.
Okay. Anything else?
I did basically the same thing, but I did 15 minus x instead of x minus 15.
Okay. Well, the one number is 15 less than 7 times the second number. So we know the number, the second number is going to be 7x. Okay. let's-
Equal both out to 0 and do like x minus 15 equals 0. And then 7x equals 0. And then
So we know we're going to use the variable x first of all, and one number is 15 less than 7 times the second number. So we know 7 times is 7x, but 15 less. So we have at least something going on here. So one number 15 less than 7 times the
Sorry to be.
well, it won't be it would be is 15 less than 7 times a second number. So 7 times a second number minus 15 is how we would work out that part of it. So 15 less than 7 times a second number. So this is the second number right here. This is the first number. But we have to find out, given that we have the sum of the numbers is 73. So that means that we're going to take this and do plus x for that first number is equal to 73. So the second number, again, one number is 15 less than 7 times the second number. And the sum of the numbers is 73. So one number is 15 less than 7 times a second number. And we have both of the numbers. So where can we go from here? Okay. We have, we can do that, but since we can combine, right.
And then x equals 11.
All right. And then we can add 15 to both sides. And then we have 8x is going to be equal to what? 88. And then we can divide off the 8. So x should be equal to 11. So the first number, they told us to find each number. This number is going to be 11. The two numbers, let's say that the first number is going to be 11. The second number will be that part where we have 7x. By substituting in, so when we do that, what will we get? So what would that become? And so we have the two numbers, 1 and 62. Okay. So the trick with this problem is that you had, and for your final answer, they ask you to find each of the numbers. So that's why we have x is equal to 11. That's one number. And then the other number is this portion of it right here. Or wait a minute, let me put that in. This portion of it right here. That makes sense?
Yeah, it does.
Hmm?
I was always taught
Okay. Did you come up with the same?
Well, because first it was gonna be 15 minus 7x equals 0, and then figure out the second equation and equal that to 0, and then come up with both terms at once.
Well, see, but the only thing is right here when it says 15 less, that means that you're taking that away from the other part. Fifteen less, that's taking it away. So we're taking it away from 7x.
What do you have on the side over there?
Hmm.
At the check?
This over here. Well, this in the end, they ask us to find each of the numbers. So we found that x was 11.
Right.
And then for the other number, because we're talking about one number and the second number. So the second number was the 7x minus 15. So we took we took 7x minus 15 and substituted in the 11 for x. And we, after we did the work there, we get 62. So one number is 11, and then the other number is 62.
Could you have gotten two answers? Like mine was jacked up. I mean, I was jacked up. Because I got like a decimal, and I was like, but it's still equal to 73. So I was like, whoa. I like.
To but in the end, did you get x is equal to 11? Okay. So this is the first key where x is going to be equal to 11. And then to find the second number, we have to take that and substitute it back into that part right there. Any other questions on this one?
So
The-
how would we write if this was on the test?
Mm-hmm.
How would we write the answer? Like how would you want it to
So
show?
so the two, it says find each of the numbers. So the two numbers are 11 and 62. So those are really the final answers to the problem. We had to go further than just solving for x because it asked us to find the two numbers. So again, this part right here gives us the two numbers.
So wouldn't you write that like 11 comma 62 like it was on a test?
Yes. So 8 times a number is decreased by 32. The result is 120. 120. And find the original number. Go ahead and try this one out. Eight times a number is decreased by 32. What is that? Eight times a number is decreased by 32. So I heard 8x minus 32 equals 120. Okay, good, good. So that's the equation there. That's our equation, and we want to find the number. Basically, we want to solve this for x. So we do what here? Right. All right, so 8x is going to be equal to 152. Okay. Right. Divide your 8. So x is equal to what? 19. Okay, good. So with this problem here, just like in this here, 15 less than 7 times the number, you know, that means that we're going to be taking that away, just like we took this away. It's decreased by 32, so minus 32. All right, great. That is our result. And, you know, we can check this. We can check it and make sure that if we want to check it, we go back to the original equation, and in the place of x, we're going to put our 19. And 8 times 19. All right, so this is going to tell us that 120. All right, so we had the correct solution.